trade based on what you see, not what you think. What is the meaning of this line? What you see on this chart, trade based on that. So don't imagine and don't make assumption of the market will move upside and downside, and that's will going to give you one of the craziest move, and this is where I'm going to make a money. If you're thinking and trading in the way of that psychology, then you will be kicked out of this market as soon as possible, because there is nothing that works in the market that's on the imagination, right? It's completely work based on the volume and the aggressive buy side, aggressive sell side, and very very crucial information. It's completely based on that. So if you're thinking that I do take a trade and I do started imagining that the market will going to go upside and downside, my god, crazy, that's will not going to happen, right? Obviously, who controls the market? We are not a person who controls the market. We are the retailers. We should need to follow the the big steps of these big players. Then for that you need to understand that how does and where does these big players were showing their steps and footprints. So Bookmap is a part of one the software or a tool you need to consider that you should really need to implement in your trading strategy or trading plan. So what is a really Bookmap, and what and how does it works? So let me show you about that. When you have seen a trading evaluation that started from this normal price note down, and again the evaluation of trading has been came to the note downing all this price action and indicators, and when how the technology has been improved, in the same way trading industry also has been improved, and right now you can get this information like how much volume has been traded on particular candle, or either the buyers are aggressive or sellers are aggressive on the particular candle. These are the seriously level 3 data, so that you will get at this with your screen and with your chart on the chart, right? So that kind of an information that you will get it from on the chart, and that's what I call order flow trading, and I do personally trade based on that, on the order flow. And the most of the retail traders, very few retail traders are using the order flow. Then I should really recommend them to stop using really those all price action and everything. That works with a high time frame. It's in lower time frame, that's will going to kill you all your stop losses, and it will going to hunt all your stop losses, because the psychology and the really what's happening behind this candlestick pattern in a lower time frame is completely different than what you trade in the higher time frame. So let's see here how the Bookmap will going to help you to understand what's really happening behind the candlestick pattern, and what are the components they have been published, especially in India, and how does this will going to hold our hand in analyzing or pushes those all the thousands of retail traders to get the another edge in the market, right? So let's start begin. And this is a normal user face. This is the user interface of a Bookmap, and this is how exactly the charts will going to look. So I do personally use these bubbles. It will going to show you that on the particular price, who has control on this particular price and particular trade on the particular time frame. So let me show you something. I do personally use this type of a delta, that so on the on the easy analysis or easy when your eyes just go on these bubbles, and you can easily see that the graph representation who has punched more orders and who has punched less orders, right? As you can see, the bigger the green color will denotes the buyer's order has been punched higher than a seller order. Here on this candle, the seller's order has been punched then the more buyer order. So based on this, you can consider that really what's happening on this particular candle, and how does this high frequency tradings and algos are punching their orders, right? So again, there is a lot of things that we are going to discuss in this video, that how the Bookmap will going to make a completely different view analysis in terms of showing all this crucial information. So is there any platform that tells you that wow, here is some kind of an absorption has been done by the buyers or sellers, and at this price and at this quantity? If you have any tool, then please let me know. Even I was interested to know about that. But right now the Bookmap is giving that kind of an information. As right now you can see these yellow dots where represents absorption of the buyers by the aggressive sellers, right? As you can see here, when the market has been trying to make new lower low, and these the limit buy limit buy orders has been punched at that time. But look at these, the sellers volume, and look at this, how does this really these players were punching their sell orders into very aggressive terms, and they were just killing all those limit buy orders, and they have started the market pushing the downside. So this shows that aggressiveness of those buyers, and this is the trend that you should be really on this trend, and you could have enjoyed this very beautiful rally of this downtrend, right? This is where you will get all those information about how the aggressive sellers were killing those limit buyers, or you will get this information like here, these limit buyers were pushing the price upside, and here the loss of faith of these aggressive sellers were losing their loss, and here those all limit buyers are controlling the market, and they are just trying to push the market upside, and very huge number of order has been punched. You can see that 21,000 of a limit buy order has been absorbed here by those aggressive sell orders. Then this creates one of the most support zone, and look at on the next size 22,000 and 30,000 of limit buy order has been absorbing by these those market sell orders, and it is trying to respect that level. And for those who have been shorted, who have been took this sell position on the top of this rally, then they are booking their profit over here. Look at over here, and here the 76,000 of a sell order has been consumed by the aggressive buy order, and the 64,000 and 22,000 of a limit sell order has been consumed by the buy orders, and still they are ranging in between these two absorption level. I have just forgot to tell you about this indicator that's called a CVD, cumulative volume delta. So this will indicate the overall trend, the interest of a buyers and sellers based on their order punching. So as you can see, let me show you something, the interesting fact, the market was completely making a new lower low over here, but look at here, this low and this low is completely lower low. Let me show you in the graph, and this low, lower low, and this is the new lower low. But look at how CVD is working. This is the new lower low, but from here the strength of this CVD has started increasing. This indicates that the sellers are right now, the sellers are not interested to take a new positions. It might be the end of the trend or a reversal of the trend, and it might be the sideways. So this is the kind of information that you are getting from this very advanced indicator, and trust me, these are the indicator not like RSI, MACD. This indicator completely plot based on the live data, what you have traded, these we have traded. It will going to plot based on that. It's not like it will going to average the previous 10 days, 5 days data, and it's plotting on the chart. Bro, this is one of this advanced trading tool, and obviously it will give you the advanced indicator also. So in the next day we need to see either the market will go upside or downside, and based on that we can trade. But you tell me that, do you get these all information on your trading platform which you are using? If you are getting, then please let me know, and we are ready to learn about those platform, and we are ready to learn how does those things also works. But I don't think so your platform is going to give you this information, because right now Bookmap is the only one platform right now that's give you such information. And if you are from India, then be lucky that recently Bookmap is also have published their software, this tool in India, and they have been tied up with the TrueData, and they are providing some of this information at this some monthly subscription plan. And if you are really interested to know about all those things, then please let me know, and we will make some videos about this, and we'll try to tell what are the components, indicators, and how to use this Bookmap. So this is a small introduction about why you should consider Bookmap tool in your trading journey. So in this upcoming video we will see all those features about the Bookmap and everything. So I'm just signing off from here, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.